The Key Concepts activity guides offer a wealth of opportunities for students to develop their explanatory writing skills. Here's an example from the activity guide for Key Concepts Plate Tectonics. The book explains the different kinds of evidence that led to the theory of plate tectonics. After students read the book, call on them to write paragraphs explaining the different lines of evidence.
From reading Plate Tectonics, you can see that geologists have to think like detectives. On the activity sheet I'm passing out, you'll write about different kinds of evidence for plate tectonics. What's one clue that lets scientists think Earth's surface is made of moving plates? Tori?
The way the continents are shaped is a clue. Some of them look like puzzle pieces that could fit together.
Yes, that's right. Continent shapes. And can someone please give me another clue? D'Angelo.
The same types of fossils and rocks have been found on different continents.
Fossils and rocks.
Continue the discussion until students have identified 4 major lines of evidence for plate tectonics.
Now please pick 3 types of evidence and write a paragraph on the activity sheet explaining each one. Start each paragraph stating clearly what type of evidence you're going to explain. Then add facts and details. You can look at the book to find details to include in your explanation. Your last sentence should support the explanation you just gave. All right? Kylie, what's one type of evidence you wrote about?
I wrote about the shapes of the continents.
Can you please share your first sentence?
One kind of evidence that supports the theory of plate tectonics is the shape of Earth's continents.
That's great. Your first sentence clearly states what you're going to explain. Now, can you give us some details that you use to support your explanation?
Some continents, especially South America and Africa, are shaped as if they could fit together like pieces of a puzzle. Scientists theorized that this was because millions of years ago, the continents were connected in one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. Because of plate tectonics, the continents slowly moved apart, but the shapes of the continents still show how they once fit together.
Okay, thanks, Kylie. Good job summing up the explanation in the final sentence. D'Angelo, could you share one of your paragraphs?
Fossils from the same extinct species have been found on continents that are now separated by huge oceans. For example,
this activity really lets students get comfortable with the Common Core writing skill of supporting an idea with relevant facts by writing multiple paragraphs using different lines of evidence. You could use the same strategy with other texts as well.